Lean management for non-manufacturing industries, applications and challenges. In today's competitive business landscape, the principles of lean management are not limited to the manufacturing sector. Non-manufacturing industries, such as healthcare, banking, and hospitality, are increasingly adopting lean practices to improve efficiency, drive process improvement, and deliver better value to customers. What is lean management? Lean management is a systematic approach to identifying and eliminating waste in processes to improve efficiency and drive continuous improvement. Originally developed by Toyota in the 1950s, lean principles focus on creating value for customers by streamlining operations, reducing lead times, and optimizing resources. Applications of lean management in non-manufacturing industries. Healthcare. In the healthcare industry, lean management can help hospitals and clinics improve patient care, enhance operational efficiency, and reduce medical errors. Banking. Lean management can also benefit the banking sector by optimizing processes, reducing wait times, and enhancing customer service. Challenges of implementing lean management in non-manufacturing industries. Some of the key challenges organizations may face include: organizational culture. Shifting to a lean culture requires buy-in from employees at all levels of the organization. Leadership. Effective leadership is critical to the success of lean initiatives in non-manufacturing industries. Sustainability. Sustaining lean practices over the long term can be difficult in non-manufacturing industries where external factors, such as regulatory changes and market dynamics, may impact operations. Conclusion. In conclusion, lean management offers valuable benefits for non-manufacturing industries seeking to improve efficiency, drive process improvement, and enhance customer satisfaction. By applying lean principles such as waste reduction, continuous improvement, and employee engagement, organizations can achieve operational excellence and stay competitive in today's dynamic business environment.